Hey there, fellow travelers and culture enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, Traveler's Plan. In today's video, I'm taking you on an incredible journey to one of the most fascinating cities in Jordan, Amman. Get ready to be captivated by its rich history, vibrant culture, and mouth-watering cuisine. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. Amman, the capital city of Jordan, is a vibrant and bustling metropolis that seamlessly blends ancient history with modern developments. With a history dating back thousands of years, Amman has been inhabited since the Bronze Age and has witnessed the rise and fall of several civilizations. Today, it stands as a testament to the rich cultural heritage and the forward-thinking spirit of Jordan. Nestled in the northwestern part of Jordan, Amman sits on a hilly terrain, offering breathtaking views of the surrounding valleys. The city's strategic location has contributed to its historical significance, acting as a gateway between the east and the west. From its vantage point, Amman serves as a hub for exploring other prominent historical sites in Jordan, such as Petra and the Dead Sea. Before the rise of civilizations, Amman was inhabited by various ancient cultures, including the Ammonites, who gave the city its name. Ruins and artifacts from this period can still be found in Amman, offering glimpses into its prehistoric past. During the Roman period, Amman, then known as Philadelphia, flourished and became a center of trade and commerce. The grandeur of that era is evident in the well-preserved Roman theater and the Nymphaeum, both architectural marvels that attract visitors from around the world. With the advent of Islam, Amman continued to grow and evolve. Islamic rulers left their mark on the city, constructing mosques and other structures that reflect the beauty and significance of Islamic architecture. The Umayyad Palace complex stands as a testament to this period, displaying intricate designs and stunning craftsmanship. Perched on Jebel al-Kala Hill, the Amman Citadel offers a captivating journey through history. Explore remnants of ancient civilizations, such as the Temple of Hercules and the Umayyad Palace, while enjoying panoramic views of the city. The citadel serves as a reminder of the city's rich past and the continuous thread connecting its ancient roots to the present. Amman's skyline is a testament to the city's rapid modernization. As the capital and economic center of Jordan, it boasts an array of sleek skyscrapers and contemporary architectural marvels. The towering buildings, such as the iconic Jordan Gate Towers, epitomize the city's ambitious and cosmopolitan character. Amidst the modern developments, Amman's Old Town, known as Downtown or Al-Balad, preserves its traditional charm. Wandering through its narrow streets reveals charming buildings adorned with intricate stonework and ornate balconies. The beautifully restored houses and buildings of the 1920s add a nostalgic touch, providing a glimpse into the city's architectural heritage. Amman is a melting pot of cultures, and the Bedouin heritage plays an integral role in shaping the city's identity. The Bedouin traditions, hospitality, and handicrafts can be experienced through various festivals and markets that showcase their vibrant culture. Visitors have the opportunity to immerse themselves in Bedouin customs, taste traditional cuisine, and admire the skillful artistry passed down through generations. Amman has a burgeoning art and music scene that thrives within its creative community. From contemporary art galleries to live music venues, the city offers a dynamic platform for local artists to showcase their talent. The annual Al-Balad Music Festival and the Amman Design Week are just a few examples of the city's commitment to fostering creativity and embracing artistic expression. Amman is home to various religious communities, and its landscape is dotted with mosques, churches, and other places of worship. The King Abdullah I Mosque, with its distinctive blue dome, stands as an iconic symbol of Islamic architecture. Similarly, the Coptic Orthodox Church and the Anglican Church of Jerusalem represent the Christian community's vibrant presence in the city. Amman showcases a remarkable harmony among different faiths, fostering an atmosphere of coexistence and mutual respect. Amman, with its blend of ancient history and modern charm, is a city that captivates the hearts of all who visit. From its iconic landmarks like the Citadel and Rainbow Street to its bustling markets and vibrant culinary scene, Amman offers a unique and unforgettable experience. Whether you are exploring its rich historical heritage, immersing yourself in its diverse culture, or savoring its delectable cuisine, Amman never fails to leave a lasting impression. So, pack your bags, embark on an adventure, and let the captivating allure of Amman unfold before you. We hope you enjoyed this virtual tour of Amman and that it ignited your curiosity to explore this city in person someday. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting adventures around the world. Until next time, happy exploring.